Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove checkboxes from a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so it's really easy to remove or delete checkboxes from a Google Sheets cell. So of course you have two options. If you want to just uncheck the checkboxes, then you have to click into the checkbox, and as you can see we were able to remove the check from the checkbox. If you want to completely remove the checkbox from a Google Sheets cell, just use delete in your keyboard, or you can also copy an empty cell and paste that into the checkbox cell, and as you can see the checkbox has been removed. So now this is how to remove checkboxes from a Google Sheets cell. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.